Her name Saroja, a blooming lotus with broad, green, dewy leaves spread around her angel-like wings. She ran to school with the wind and claimed all the rainbow-colored ribbons. She soared across the ocean blue sky like a kite with its head held high, yet humble. She wore a white coat like an archangel, spreading her hands like wings, not to fly, but to touch hearts, to heal and hold. Her black eyes were reservoirs of kindness and love. Her moon-like face spread beams wherever she was present. When she spoke, her words were like petals that fell softly from her crescent-shaped lips. Who can forget her fragrance smiling in every flower?